Welcome back to another My Two Good Hands. We were going to buy this thing off of Amazon. One of these sanders. A sander that was a dual action sander, 5-inch disc. And we got a coupon in the mail from another place, Harbor Freight. So this is our review of our Harbor Freight one. Looks like they gave us 160 grit disc. We're going to put that on because we'll start with that. Why not? We did get some other ones. It said it gave you discs. Oh yeah, it gave you one. But here's the thing. 54 bucks. Okay, 54 bucks. Now, he had a coupon that they emailed me, 25% off. So 25% off of 54 bucks. So about $13 off. So this was 40 bucks. So we thought for 40 bucks, a nice long cord, we'll try it. So it's got those pads that have the hooks, and of course you can't even get this open. Gotta have a scissor. And we can see that our scissors are there we go. Yep, 60 grit. So put this on here, just kind of line up the holes. Line up a hole and maybe line up the holes. Let's see if we can line up the holes here. So take this, line up the holes. Doesn't look like the holes are punched exactly to match the thing, but that's okay. We got it. We're on. This is variable speed. It is set on max right now. We're going to bring it all the way down to 1, the slowest speed. Let's see, in here we probably have the dust collector. The nice thing about a dust collector is it's going to allow you to collect a little bit of sawdust, so when you go to glue a project, you can, when you go to glue a project, you got some sawdust to put in your glue joints. And it looks like this just flips on like this. Upside or right side up or upside down. Looks like it only goes one way. There we go. It's on. It's ready to go. We're going to take it out on the driveway here, get set up, and show you how it works. Well, we got it out. I just take one piece of wood here as a sample to show you. It's got the on and off here. It's got variable speed. Goes out to the left. Let's see what we got. Sandpaper looks like new. A lot of dust. That looks nice and smooth. So we're going to say we're going to go through this box of wood, but I'm going to go get my respirator on. So there you go. This is the Hercules. It's $54 at Harbor Freight. Looks like it works good. We're going to see how it goes here for a while. You can see what we did with the one piece. This is for how we make bird houses. Still got to do these two edges here. Kind of break those edges, break the edges a little bit. But that's how we do our birdhouses. So we're going to put the camera up and we're going to go do it. And we'll bring you back. So there we are. We sanded, let's see, 8 pickets of cedar with this just now. The cedar's real soft. We used 60 grit, worked great. Emptied this about 4 times. We are on our second piece of sandpaper. It looks like new. We only did like 10 pieces that way. We did boxes of the stuff. Don't forget, like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We will catch you in the next video. We'll put these birdhouses together and get you a little video of that.